Good morning Jerusalem yan. So magang maga dito sa Jerusalem. So alas 7 pa lang. Alas 6 ang balak ko lumabas, pero sabi nila baka wala raw ako makitang kainan para sa breakfast. So sa hotel hindi ako kumuha ng breakfast doon. So ang first agenda ko ngayong araw na to ay ang maghanap kung saan may breakfast, kahit coffee man lang or tinapay. And pagkatapos nun, papasukin ko na ang Old City. And so, unang-una kong pupuntahan sa Old City, syempre, yung sinabi sa akin ni Aba na Western Wall. And so, yung lugar na yun, yun yung pinapaniwalaan nila na kapag nag-wish ka doon ay matutupad. And yes, trinay ko nung una akong pumunta rito. And yes, natupad nga. So, unbelievable yung winish ko, pero nagulat ako natupad. Ayun, so may nakita ako dito ng bilihan ng kape. So, magbabaon na lang ako ng kape, saka hindi na siguro ako magtitinapay, kape lang. And sabi sa mapa ko is mga ilang minutes lang naman ng lakad, mga 24 minutes. Hi, can I have one cappuccino? Small takeaway. Ayun, so nakabili na ako ng small na cappuccino. So baon ko na lang, pero medyo mainit siya, pero okay lang. Baon ko habang nilalakad. So dito sa Jerusalem, dahil nga limitado lang ang oras ng mga day off ng mga Pilipino, so hanggat maaari kakain silang naglalakad or umiinom ng kape na naglalakad, except sa mga Pilipino na dito talaga nakatira sa Jerusalem. Pero yung mga kagaya ko na sa south or galing sa north, talagang sinusulit namin ang bawat minuto dito. Ayun, so nakarating na nga ako dito sa may I Love Jerusalem. And dito sa malapit dito, pag dinaretso ko lang is papasok na ako sa Old City. Ayun, so ito na yung simula ng pader ng Old City, yung pinakalumang city ng Jerusalem. So alam nyo ba na ang Jerusalem ang isa sa pinaka matandang city, one of the oldest cities sa buong mundo. At maraming pupunta rito dahil ito talaga yung lugar, ito talaga yung sentro ng relihiyon. So dito nagsimula ang lahat. Ay, so papasok na tayo ngayon dito sa may Jaffa Gate. So ito na yung entrance na papasukan ko. Ayun, so kakapasok ko pa lang, nagsisimula na silang may isang matanda doon, gustong i-tour guide daw ako. Wala akong pera. Oh, maganda naman yung may tour guide, pero syempre pag wala kang budget, wala kang pera, talagang mag solo flight ka na lang. Good morning. Do you want me to help?
Yes, you're from Philippines,
Yes.
yes? Beseder?
Yeah. Beseder. I understand a little Hebrew, but okay. Ay, nakabili na ako ng kipa. So, ito na yung kipa. Pero nag-aalangan ako. Hindi ako marunong gumamit ng kipa. Sila kahit wala silang nilalagay na pangipit is hindi nahuhulog. Pero sa akin nahuhulog. So, yun. So, ang hirap mabait naman yung nagtinda sa akin. Tinulungan ko pa nga siya. Nagpatulong siya sa akin para ilabas yung mga paninda niya. Kaya nga lang, syempre, sales stock, matatagalan ka talaga sa loob. Dahil nga ang dami niyang i-offer sa'yo. Basta isa lang sabihin mo, ayaw mo. So hindi ka naman nila mapipilit. Ayun, so inoff ko muna yung video ko kanina dahil bawal talaga pag sa mga security. So mahigpit sila. So tatanong saan ako pupunta, saan ako galing. Ayun. Dito pag tinatanong ako saan ako galing, sinasabi ko yung address ko dito sa Israel. Tapos pag tinanong nila anong country, yun na yun. Sabihin ko, Pilipinas. So ito na. Dito na ako sa may Western Wall. Yun, so papalapit ako ng Western Wall. And magdadasal lang saglit. And ilalagay ko yung wish ni Abba. So merong wish si Abba. Yan, nasa papel. And ilalagay ko siya doon. Ayun, so lalapit na ako sa wall. Kaya lang bawal na ako magsalita doon. Respect yun, respect sa mga nagdarasal. So bawal magsalita. So papakita ko na lang sa inyo with music. Ayun, so meron dito nakasulat na Western Wall Tunnel Site. So may tunnel siya. So susubukan natin pasukin. Hindi ko alam kung pwede. Hi, we can go now to the tunnel.
You can buy tickets in the ticket machine.
How much?
38.
38, okay. Yeah. So, nabigyan ako ng isang isang tour.
Did you talk to someone about doing a video?
No, it's my YouTube.
It's your YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube.
Aesthetic serves him bread and wine, and that's when Abraham is somewhat younger. But he comes back when he's much older, this way, but this time he has his son, and he has servants, and he has donkeys. He's an important man. Two things here. The first, if you look down, see? What you're looking at are steps from a Second Temple mikveh, a ritual bath.
There?
Yep. It's a floor underneath us. But we found more than 130 in the period.
Okay, so pinakita sa akin yung natitirang mga ano ba tawag, structure dun sa Second Temple. So bawal na dito magsalita ng malakas.
Okay, before we go down, have a fast look. It's something very beautiful.
Yes.
These are the arches that the Mamelukes built to hold up the Muslim quarter, and this is a modern synagogue.
So, in the top is Muslim quarter?
Yeah. It's above us.
Okay.
It's above us. Very special place. Meters and weighs about 570 tons.
Ayun, so pinakita sa akin to. Itong batong to is 13 and a half meters long. Isang buo lang siya na hindi siya hinati-hati at handmade lang siya. So sa sobrang sobrang galing ng mga tao nung unang panahon.
This one,
And
all the way to the end, which is there. It's the second one, it's not quite as long. We're coming to a very important place. You can see there people gathered to pray. Okay? Come up for a second. We'll try not to disturb you.
and so bawal ako magsalita. Dahil maraming mga nagdarasal.
Okay, if you look here, you have an archway. This is the Second Temple gate. It's the closest gate to the Holy of Holies. Okay, notice
Yes.
this is the kotel.
This
And
is
you can see, look, here are the smooth stones and the borders, and you can see it's going backwards.
yes.
Okay, so these are the stones of the kotel. You can see people put prayers.
Ito yung isa sa pinakalumang mga bato.
Okay, and here, watch for it, stones that were pulled down. The Romans threw down stones from the kotel, so these are some of the stones they threw down.
Yes.
Okay.
Ayun, so may salamin to, nakakatakot maglakad. Parang mahuhulog ka sa loob ng butas. Oh. Ang galing ng mga karpintero nila nung unang panahon. As in talagang pantay-pantay lahat. Tapos yung umurong daw to, sabi nila, hindi nila alam bakit to umurong, baka earthquake daw. Pero grabe, pantay talaga. Akala parang perfect talaga eh. Hindi mo ma-explain eh. Perfect yung pagkaka-align. Grabe oh. Ganda. Lupit nila dito. So, yun, hindi ko na kukunin yung buong detalye ng tour na ito dahil limitado lang yung oras natin. So dito, Sharon,
Yeah.
usually how many hours it takes the whole trip?
Usually an hour and a half, but I'll give
1
you
hour
another
and a half.
that's why another 15 minutes, I think we can
Okay.
finish, okay?
Okay.
Now look here, this is not a cut stone, this is bedrock. So they're starting to carve inside the bedrock. We're going to see more of that. Let's continue.
Ayun, 1 oras at kalahati, 1 hour and a half ang uubusin ng tour na to.
Normally it takes a lot longer. We'll
Pero,
get fast break. But you
kailangan
can
ko
see
talaga
somebody
mag-fast
cut
break.
here. You can see somebody worked on this stone
Oh.
a very long time ago. First of all, you see that? That's carved into the rock of the wall, of the hillside. They decided they wanted it to be beautiful, And so they very carefully leave that in the middle. That's the first question. A stone that should have been in the floor is not been used. And behind us we have pillars, which are actually Second Temple, although they've been filled in since then. This is later stone. But this, you can see they're in pieces. And they're not marble. They're what we call limestone. This is the local stone here. If you want to move a piece, you need a handle and a rope. But if you want it to be beautiful, you should have taken the handle off. We think as follows. The temple itself takes about 3 years under Herod the Great. All the stuff on top about 12 years. But they continue with the roads and the walls.
Kaya so papakita sa akin yung movie kung paano nabuo itong Second Temple. Tapos pinakita rin sa akin kung paano masira. So ganito siya buuin.
If you look, everything's carved into the rock of the side of the hill.
Ayun, so pasikip na ng pasikip itong dinadaanan namin. Kung takot kayo sa masisikip na lugar.
See? They start
Yes.
and they don't finish.
Oh, ito. So hindi raw nila natapos nung unang panahon. Siguro nung mga nagkagera na. Dahil nga simula pa lang noon ay talagang magulo na dito. Kung saan nagsimula ang relihiyon.
Okay.
Doon nagsimula rin ang mga
So
gera.
watch it.
Yes.
And there's
Oh,
some steps here that are hard
sikip.
to see. Okay. And here we are. You might want to go ahead because it's nice.
Yeah.
It's a photograph. It's a water tunnel from the Maccabees. Now it might get a little wet towards the end, so look out for it.
So this is the water tunnel?
This is a water tunnel built by the Maccabees to carry water to their fortress.
Yeah,
And we're going to talk about the fortresses in a
I
moment.
feel the...
Yeah, limestone lets water in. It's what we call porous.
And so, eto dati, tubig ang nandito. Water tunnel nila. So hanggang ngayon may mga tubig pa naman sa gilid.
Watch the floor because if it gets wet, it might be
At,
slippery.
At yung malamig dito. Para ka nasa ano, para ka naliligo sa falls. Mali yung lamig niya. At yung amoy talagang tubig lang yung amoy. Ayan.
Right, I know. Watch your feet because it's a little hard to see and it's damp. There's water there. And then you have to duck. And we're going to have a look at the pool. Watch. There you go. Get your head down. So there's the beginning of the pool is here.
Ooh.
And the big part we're going to see in a moment is up there. This is our last stop.
Sa dito sila nag-iipon ng mga tubig nung unang panahon. Ito siya. At hanggang ngayon may tubig pa rin.
Herod, see, my friend's the fish.
Yes.
We'll talk about the fish in a moment. This pool was built to supply water.
Ayun, so natapos na ako dito sa may western wall, sa may tunnel. So napasok ko rin yung tunnel, napakaganda ng tunnel. So na-preserve nila lahat. So kung nagustuhan nyo man tong video na to, please like, share, and comment down below. Yan. At comment nyo kung saan pa yung mga pwede kong mapuntahan dito. So yun. So see you again next video.